not fully fixed. Okay. So how soon will it be? How soon? Because she wants to start working on the. She wants to start. Yes. No, it's not. So how soon will all this be ready now?
By July.
All the interiors will have been completed. But July is too far now.
So are you saying we are not getting keys now?
You get
Some of the keys. So by July, everything. They spoke something about solar. That this is solar power. That the generator is not allowed.
there's this standby.
No longer solar.
We can't do solar. We want to have that
Panel and
just come over. I'm seeing that she has this to say. Tell me, because she was already impressed by the aesthetics and the ambience. How much did you have to do to sell to her at this point? Because we are already sold. How much more did you have to do?
Well, I had to do a lot of convincing, you know, and based on the fact that she's not here, and I have to do a lot of, you know, trying to come here and show her what is already existing. You know, did some, then we had some sample units. And I showed her the sample unit and what the space would look like. So it was good for her to see what. It's been a wonderful experience today, being the physical allocation of our clients here at Montwell Properties. So I will just use Madam F. Okay, Madam F, she's based overseas, and just like one of the videos we make here, and she saw it and said, I like what I'm seeing, I'm interested, and we got to do a virtual tour. And she liked the spacing, she liked the aesthetics, she liked the sample unit that she saw, and she said, Frank, I'm ready to go for the 3-bedroom apartment. And definitely, she did key into this property just last year. And just a few months after her completion of payments, we are now having this wonderful opportunity to physically allocate a 3-bedroom apartment here in the Avocado luxury and smart apartment in Abijo G.R.A. here in Lagos, Nigeria. So for me, this is a very fantastic experience. Many of investors don't get to this point, and we understand the challenges in buying real estate in Lagos. And this is why you have trusted realtors who are not just there for the money, but is there to make sure that the clients get exactly what they are paying for, that they get the result of their investment. So I am happy also for Landmark Corporate Realty, who have been able to deliver this unit to clients. We already have the residents already living inside this the Avocado luxury apartment. So I'm so grateful to you, Madam F, for trusting Montwell Properties, and I am also looking forward to many more allocations for our clients who keyed into the Avocado luxury apartment. So congratulations to you, and to all those who have already secured their own unit here and are waiting to get a location. I'm sure that is going to come very, very soon. So we still selling 2-bedroom apartments here. We still have 3-bedroom apartments here. We still have 1-bedroom apartment here still selling. So if you are interested in keying into any of these available units, just call the numbers right there on your screen, and you are going to be the next owner of a wonderful, spacious luxury apartment here in the Avocado. And this is a very beautiful experience. I can't tell you how I'm excited. I can't tell you how excited I am to be here today to make sure this is happening. And kudos to Landmark for delivering as promised. And thank you to investors who trusted and made sure that they keyed into it. And this is one of the ways we do this, and I'm happy to be here doing this today. So congratulations to all of you who keyed into this project. Congratulations to our team at Montwell Properties. Thank you for making this possible, and thank you to Landmark for delivering as promised. So until we see you again in another of our location video, thank you and bye for now. Keep watching Montwell Properties for more amazing investment deals, and I'm sure you are going to love it. Bye for now.